Don't touch it. This is bad, bad stuff. Muti. Witchcraft. I think this is somebody's finger. Even the smell is an evil smell.
Did you call the police?
No, I called you.
Whose car is this?
You'll not know his name. But this is a name. Charlie Khotso. Where there are guns, where there are drugs, where there are disappearances, you'll hear this name. You'll hear the name Charlie Khotso whispered in the streets, but you'll not hear it in the courts or see it in the newspapers because this is a big man with big friends.
I will take this. I will have the bone tested.
And then what? What happens when the big man comes for his car?
You say it disappeared.
I might as well bend down my garage right now.
It is not your fault if this thing has been stolen.
That would be a lie. I have never been able to lie. My tongue swells up. People always know.
That is what I admire about you, Ram. But sometimes a lie for a good reason is a good lie.
I cannot.
Put the pouch back and come outside.
I can't put the pouch back. If I put the pouch back...
Please, just do what I ask. Nothing. Nothing to do with you, Ra. A thief. A thief took this thing. Tell your Mr. Khotso there has been a break-in. He should check to see if anything has been stolen, and if it has, you tell him you have a friend, a very fine detective, a lady detective, as a matter of fact, who will find this missing item. Tell him she is the best lady detective in all of Botswana.